In this video, I will show you how to uninstall software using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's get started. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T on your keyboard. Now, to remove software, type this command, sudo apt remove, then the package name, replace package name with the actual name of the software. For example, if you want to remove VLC Media Player, type sudo apt remove VLC. Now press Enter and enter your password if asked. The terminal will remove the software from your system. If you want to remove everything, including configuration files, use this command instead, sudo apt purge, then the package name. This gives you a cleaner uninstall. After removing the software, you can also clean up unused files. Type this, sudo apt autoremove. It will remove leftover files that are no longer needed, and that's it. You have now learned how to uninstall software using the terminal in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.